Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2016 Nissan Versa 1.6 motor doing some front brakes. Let me show you a real quick rundown on this one. I'm also gonna make another video for a different problem that this one had. 14, put a screwdriver in here and release the brake caliper pressure a little bit, slide it off. If you get good brake pads, you'll get these clips. There's also two spring clips that are right here, so just take them off, take these old clips on. We'll be installing the new ones. They only go on one way, so you can't mess it up too much. Press caliper back in, put new clips on, put brake pads in both sides, and professional note, when you put everything on, rotate the rotor a little bit. See if you hear the, which means you likely have this clip touching somewhere. So if that's the case, readjust it before you put it all back together. Just saves you a little bit of hassle. Put brake grease on both sides so you don't have the brake noise. Compress caliper in all the way, slap it all back together, away you roll. Not that big of a problem on me. Pretty plain Jane. Any questions, comments, please like and subscribe.